It's a planting session with officials from Central Bank of Eswatini, and we are very happy. We went there in the morning where we received the indigenous trees, and one of them is already planted here. And I shall hand over to one of the officials from Central Bank of Eswatini. Over to you.
We're happy to be here at Somjalose. As the head teacher has said, we started at the Central Bank this morning, and we're handing over trees to 3 schools from around this area: Somjalose, St. Mary's, and Ezuluni Catholic Primary. And it's all about caring for the environment. And what the biggest message that we are sending to our children is that we are old, we are going, we shall leave this place to them, and it's up to them to take care of their own environment. And this is one part and a small part from us to teach them how to take care of their own environment, starting by the planting of trees.